Raising has a great mission, and our tagline that helps represent that is professionally designed, community empowered, and education driven.
Education, income is all relevant to whether individuals can access solar. So, I mean, we're getting there. It's absolutely achievable.
Don't be scared, my darling one. Look round all around you, knows your name.
My name is Kyla Buss from Madison, Wisconsin originally. I got into solar, and solar nonprofits specifically have been a big passion for me ever since.
Grandpa would sing early in the morning, song to the rising sun. His tune, it is a prayer, it's a noble prayer.
This is
Good night, dear little one. The wind, rain, and sun. The wind, rain, and sun.
Solar barn raising is real interested in the educational aspects of renewable energy and solar. The science and the engineering is changing all the time.
My name is Noema Visca. I'm from Fresno, California. This is my first time doing a solar installation.
A huge component of what we do as a nonprofit is we want to create more access for solar for more people.
They sing for the water and his granddaughters. Take care of this earth, my precious ones. Our power, it never came from the cold down below. Now it comes from above. It comes from up above. The wind, rain, and sun. Grandpa is singing early in the morning, song to the rising sun. His tune, it is a prayer, it's an old prayer. Good night, dear little one. The wind, rain, and sun. The wind, rain, and sun.
Pushing it in areas that otherwise wouldn't really be able to access solar, which is a big part of it, I think.
So the cost of renewable energy, and particularly solar electric, has really dropped significantly over the last decade, and the cost of fossil fuels are going to continue to go up. It's been a really great opportunity to work with solar barn raising because they are open to everybody being involved, all ages, all abilities, all skill levels, and all genders, obviously. So it's just been open and welcoming and a great place to learn.
Solar barn raising is amazing.